Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to teach you how to work out the perimeter of a square and the perimeter of a rectangle. So this should hopefully be quite a nice and easy video, but if you do have comments or questions, you can drop them down below and I'll do my best to get back to you there. So starting with the perimeter of a square. So we're given two lengths of the square, or two side lengths of a square. It's 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So if you didn't know, every side length of a square is the same length. So even if you get given one side length, they're all going to be the same length. So we can label them here. 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters. And when you're talking about the perimeter is the distance effectively around the shape. I kind of like to think of it as a fence, because it'd be like, how far would you have to travel, or how long would the fence have to be to kind of close off this area? So knowing that the perimeter is just the length or distance around the shape, well, all we'd have to do is take 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters, and that will give us the perimeter. So let's add these all together. So we've got 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus, hopefully you can see this okay, and you just do 3 plus 3 is 6, plus another 3 is 9, plus another 3 is 12. So our final answer is 12 centimeters, and you can just add them up by hand, or I guess you could do some sort of adding technique, but these are quite small numbers, so hopefully that's quite straightforward. Final answer, 12 centimeters, okay? Hopefully that makes sense. So a rectangle is slightly more complicated, but it's still, quite easy to do. We're missing two side lengths here. So a rectangle, it has two lots of two different length sides, if that makes sense. So we have a 5 centimeter here and a 2 centimeter here. Now in a rectangle, the opposite lengths are the same, or should I say the opposite sides are the same length. So this length is 5 centimeters, or this side is 5 centimeters long, and its opposite side will be 5 centimeters. It's just a general rule. So, if this length or this side is 5 centimeters long, the opposite side will be the same length when you're dealing with a rectangle. So that will also apply to this side as well. So this will be 2 centimeters. So again, to find the perimeter, you just find the distance all the way around. So it'll be 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 centimeters. So we can do 2. You can do 2 plus 5 plus 2 and do the centimeters after, but maybe we should do the centimeters now. Keep it professional. So 5 centimeters plus 2 centimeters, and you can add them in any order, it doesn't matter, as long as you add them all correctly. So 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters, that's 10, and then 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters, that's 4. So our final answer is going to be 14 centimeters, and that is the perimeter, or the distance around the shape. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully it was clear. If it didn't, you can leave any comments or questions down below. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching the video, and best of luck with your maths.